Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to claim Spotify artist profile. In order to claim artist profile on Spotify, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing first, you have to go to the artist.spotify.com/c/access and click claim your profile. Once you do it so, fill out the required information and wait to hear from the Spotify. Once you are approved, you'll have claimed the account and your artist piece will now be verified and have a blue check mark as well. You'll also be the owner of the page. So anyone else that wanted access to your page in their Spotify for artist account will have to receive an invitation from you. Try not to let it go into your head as well. Now, once you've got the access of the Spotify for artists, here's what you should be doing with your profile. So head to the overview tab to update or add. So header image, you could go ahead and add an avatar image and pin your artist pick as well. Add your playlist you've created and you'd like to feature on your artist playlist section. After which you need to head to about tab to update or add for your image, photos for your image gallery, bio link and all that. So this is basically how you could go ahead and claim Spotify artist page. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.